Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be opening up the 2021 Hot Wheels Spring Set. Let's start it off with the 2016 BMW M2, the first car of the set. Here's the entire set, and let's just get this one open and see what is up with it. We have this in a beautiful new white color, as you can see, just a very cool vehicle. This is a casting that came out around 2018 is when this casting debuted, and you can see that it has spring circuit right there, and number 21 right there, and it has some black checkers and a Hot Wheels spring logo, as you can see right on the door panel. Just a very nice casting to add to the collection, and just very cool. I like the color on these Phil Redmond 5-spoke wheels, these PR5s, and they spin very well. And take a nice look at this BMW M2 Coupe, and it says spring circuit right there on the hood. Number 21 there to signify 2021 spring. There's a BMW badge right there, and there's the beautiful BMW grille. Let's take a look at the other side. Same as the other side, and it's got a black interior. Don't know if you can see that right in there. And just a very nice looking ride. There is the back. Quad exhaust, very cool BMW. And a black plastic base. And this is the first edition, which came in red, and I've had this one for quite a while now. But now I got two different variations of the BMW M2. Next up, we have the Nissan Fairlady Z, number 2 of 5 of the series. And let's just get this one open and see what it looks like. Alright, so we got some orange rims on this beautiful Nissan Fairlady Z, and it has a number 21 on the side as well. It's kind of like a flat orange color we have on this one, or a flat yellow rather, with orange and blue tampos. And I do like the old style tampos on this one. Number 21 right there, and you can see that beautiful blue and orange tampo design. The paint is not really a shiny paint, it's kind of like a flat paint. And take a look at the side tampos right there, and there are the MC5 rims, the muscle car 5-spoke rims, on this Nissan Fairlady Z. Just a very cool car. I only have one of these in the collection, and that's this one. Other than a carded one, which I have on my wall, but this is the only variation that I have of the Nissan Fairlady Z casting. There's the other side. Very cool, very cool, very cool. And black interior, and I like the nice clear windows on this Nissan. There's the back of the car. The back of the car looks very cool as well, as you can see. Just an overall very nice casting. The Nissan Fairlady Z. Very old, slick design. Probably a 70s car. And that's number 2 of 5 from the Hot Wheels Spring Set 2021. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at the 1970 Dodge HEMI Challenger. This is in a nice lime color. The third car of the series. And let's just get this one open. I think this is my first one of this casting as well. Let's take a nice look. Look at the lime color. I love the lime color on this HEMI Challenger. And it says Spring 21 on the side right there. And purple tampos. It says Dodge in a nice retro-styled font design. And it has a green, white, and blue stripe on the side. I really like that. I really do like that. It's kind of a lower design with the white rim DD8 wheels. And a nice muscle car indeed. Very nice. Look at the purple hood scoop. And a purple interior. I love the cool colors on this one. The windows are down. Maybe you can see the interior. And take a nice look at the front there. Very nice. And it already had a paint chip on it. A lot of the cars that a lot of these Challengers I've seen at the stores have paint chips already on them. Kinda sucks, but, and you know, it's a $1 car. I mean, sometimes you're gonna get that. There's the back there. Very cool muscle car. And the wheels are kind of like in. Like, they don't come out. They're just like stuck in there. And it's just a very nice muscle car. A Dodge HEMI Challenger from 1970. Love the colors on this one. This has a black plastic base and just says 70 Challenger, and this casting came out in 2006. 67 Shelby GT500. This comes in a nice blue color, and this is an old classic Mustang. Well, it looks like a Mustang. I think they're different models. I really don't know. If anyone has any idea about the Shelbys and the Mustang differences, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, let's just get this one open. This is the 2021 Hot Wheels Spring variation, and right away I can say these wheels spin very well. I just want to check the wheels. They look kind of funky. Alright, whoa, this one looks way cooler out of the packaging. So this has a nice blue color. It's not like a light blue. It's kind of in the middle between light blue and a normal blue. And it says Spring 2021 on the side there with gold 5-spoke wheels. That is the Hot Wheels Spring logo right there. And look at the tampos. This is GT500. This is a 67 Shelby GT500. In real life, this is one of the rarest cars in existence. And I think one sold for over $1 million or something. I'm not sure, but it is a very rare car in real life. An orange interior we have on this Hot Wheels variation with orange tinted windows as well. Number 21 on the side. It's a GT500 right on there. And an orange and purple tampo with a number 21. Very nice. It's like a fastback design. Here's the front of it. Nice classic Mustang design right there. I'm not even sure if this is a Mustang or just a Shelby. Once again, I don't know the difference between a Shelby and a Mustang, if they're the same thing or different. I'm pretty sure they're different, but please let me know in the comment section below if you know. But the Shelbys definitely look very similar to the Mustangs. And there's the back right there. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Here is the chrome plastic base. And this spring series came out in, looks like, late 2020. Look at the base code. Yep, these cars, all these cars were manufactured late 2020 as 2021 releases. Oh, almost forgot. Here is another variation that I have of the 67 Shelby GT500. Last but definitely not least, it's a 77 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, or TA for short. Last car of the series and probably the most desirable one of the entire series. And let's just pop that open and get a nice look. And this happens way too often. If I dig underneath the plastic too hard, my thumb starts bleeding. I do not like that. But anyways, let's take a nice look at this 77 Firebird Trans Am. Look at the green tampos on this and a nice enamel orange color. It has gold PR5 rims and green tinted windows. That's very cool. Looks like it got a little scuffing on top. Maybe we can rub that off after. What a beautiful muscle car this is, though. Number 21 on the side. Yellow interior. I love the cool colors on these special release springtime cars. And there's the front. There's the back there. These are good spinning PR5 wheels, gold colored wheels. Very cool. I like the T-top. Has a T-top on it. I really do like this casting. This is probably my favorite one out of the entire set. But I don't know, the Mustang and the what's it called? The BMW come pretty close. And oops, I accidentally shook the tripod there, but a beautiful ride indeed. I very much like this one. There's the back. And there's the base. I do have another color of this one. And this came in like 2016 or 2017. I think it was 2017. But I am not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, there you have it. That is the 2021 Hot Wheels Spring Series. Which one was your favorite? Leave me a comment down below. If you do have a favorite, I would definitely go with this one or this Mustang. But this spring set has a lot of cool cars. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more.